Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals.
Here we have a 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. It is a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 sits near the top of the full-size truck rankings. This GMC has 17-inch bright machined aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There also is a full-size spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this GMC is in great condition. It has very clear halogen projector headlamps, along with the automatic daytime running lights, tow hooks, a winch by Warn, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This GMC has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with a 26-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this GMC only has 95,189 miles on it. At the back of the GMC, you will see the cargo lamp, the locking tailgate with lift assist, and the corner step bumper, along with the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that this GMC has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the back seat storage. These back seats fold up, and there is also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice silver interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This GMC is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and OnStar. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows with express down. This GMC has a very comfortable tilting leather-wrapped steering wheel and all-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. The advanced system even has a voice activation. You also have automatic climate controls that everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze.
If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.